Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to unlock your Outlook account without your phone number, then this video is for you. First, you have to go to the Microsoft official website, then go to the Outlook, or you can simply search for Microsoft Outlook in your browser and you can find this type of page where you can find a sign in button. Simply click on sign in and you can find the sign in section, so where it will ask you to add your email address from here. So I'm going to add my email address from here. Now simply click on next here, and here you have to add the password. So I'm going to add a password, another email here. Now I have added this email here and I'm going to simply add the password. Here you can see my account is logged here. Now simply click on next, and here it will ask for the phone number. But if you don't want to add the phone number, then you can simply click on why do this, and from here you have to simply scroll down, and from here let me show you. So here you can see it is asking for the phone number, but actually there is no other way to unlock your Microsoft Outlook account without a phone number. This is a hard truth for you, but you can do is another thing. There is a workaround. If you don't have your phone number on your hand, then you can simply simply click on this why do I have to do this, and simply you can find this page where you can find the contact support. So you can contact with Microsoft support. Simply click on it, and here you can find it like I can't install it, or you can add the subject that I want to unlock temporary suspended account. So simply click on searching the help here. So account has been locked. Here you can find this. Simply click on account has been logged, and from here you have to simply contact, or you can simply contact with a representative, just like it. From here you can search for it, or you can contact with a representative. Just type anything, like I'm going to type it again, unlock or simply click on that, and from here you can find sign in to contact the support. So you have to sign in with using your another Microsoft account, and from here you can actually contact with a representative of Microsoft. Then you can tell them that you don't have your phone number right now that are associated with your Outlook account, so that's why you can actually use your OTP. So they can actually help you to in this situation. So from here you can find with a more email address here. So you can also find something like with email address. So here you have to choose how normally sign in, and then enter your details. So you have to simply sign in with your email address from here. Like I'm going to add the email address. Simply click on OK, and you have to wait until it load. Here you can see checking. So account checks failed. Sorry, we are experiencing issue checking your account. That's why just because of it is actually blocked here. So from here you can continue. Simply click on continue and simply get this. So here you can see it is checking actually. So if it's start checking here, if you can find that if the account checking is failed, that means you are probably got logged badly on Microsoft account. So that's only one step that you can follow. So that is, you can sign in to contact the support. So you can get in touch with a representative of Microsoft company, and they can help you to in this situation. You can give them a verified email address that you want to get. First they will verify you through your some inquiries. Then make sure that you have all of the details about your Outlook account, like your username, your password, and many more from here. So also the login credentials, the most important thing is login credentials. Make sure you know the login credentials, and you have to answer their inquiries and prompted you have to follow all the prompted steps that you have got on your email. So that's how you can simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.